Hi everyone, today I'm going to demonstrate how to apply MuralShield and World's Best Graffiti coating using these handheld compression sprayers. We're here in Pasadena, California at the historic Octavia Butler Magnet Middle School, courtesy of Pasadena Unified School District and the Lightbringer Project, whose mission is to build community through the power of art and education.
Okay, let's get started with the basic operation of this sprayer and techniques for coating a mural, as well as cleaning out your sprayer properly so it's ready for use again on your next project.
Let's do a quick run through of the components. This sprayer has a 2-gallon capacity with a pump for pressurizing the container and has a pressure release valve installed on the side. It comes with 2 spare fan-shaped tips, a durable rubber hose, trigger, and a brass powder-coated wand with cone-shaped tip at the end. Before starting, if you unscrew the tip, you find this stainless steel filter. I think it's best to remove it, as it tends to clog too easily, especially in hot weather. First, fill up your container with MuralShield. I'm using the full gallon here, as the more liquid I put in, the less work I have to do to pressurize the container. Tighten the pump in place and begin pumping. You'll start to feel the pressure build as you pump. It's important to pump it up well so the product is evenly atomized when you begin to spray. You can spray first on a piece of cardboard or an inconspicuous corner of the mural to see how the spray pattern looks. Then, when you're happy with the settings, go ahead and start coating your mural. We like to apply the first coat lightly and then build up at least 2 coats on top of that. One can be horizontal and the next one vertical.
As you can see, MuralShield really brings back faded colors and leaves the mural with a more vibrant, fresher look. MuralShield builds up to a gloss, but the application of World's Best Graffiti coating next will bring the final finish back to satin.
Once you're finished using MuralShield, you'll want to clean out your sprayer before filling it with World's Best Graffiti coating. Simply empty out what's left into the original container. A funnel will come in handy for this. Then pour some acetone into your sprayer. Swirl it about a little and repressurize the container. Spray the acetone through into a plastic bucket and clean the tip while you do this. Once you've cleaned the sprayer with acetone, you need to thoroughly clean it out with water and repressurize. Spray the water through the sprayer for a while. You can lock the handle on the trigger and leave the wand hanging in a safe place, like the back of your truck, so the water sprays through the wand for several minutes and rinses it out thoroughly. After MuralShield has been applied, it'll typically need at least 1 to 2 hours to cure before applying World's Best Graffiti coating. Depending on temperature and humidity, more or less dry time may be needed. World's Best Graffiti coating is a thinner wax-based material and will adhere to itself well once the first coat is applied. So go ahead and apply a light tack coat first. Once this is done, you want to apply at least 2 coats, but a third is recommended, especially on public murals that are most susceptible to graffiti. Keep the wand moving evenly across the mural at a reasonable pace to avoid drips. Feather out any drips as you go with a soft nylon paintbrush. This is a much better technique than back rolling with a paint roller, as that can cause air bubbles to appear, which may be noticeable when it dries, especially on darker colors. Coat the surface evenly, top to bottom, as well as side to side, waiting at least 20 to 30 minutes between coats. Even if the previous coat is still a little tacky, you can go ahead and start another one, as it's best to keep building up thin coats rather than applying it too thickly each time. Once you're satisfied the mural is well coated, it's time to clean out the sprayer with water. First, fill the sprayer with fresh water and repressurize your container. Run the water through your sprayer for several minutes to thoroughly rinse it out. Then allow your sprayer to dry and pack it away so it's ready to go for the next time. And there we have it, another beautiful mural project completed. I really hope you enjoy using these products as much as we do. And as always, feel free to reach out to us with any questions before your next mural project.